Hey, what's up, smart buyers? Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're putting two robotic titans head-to-head in a battle of the bots. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop, or as we like to call it, the Roomba Combo. And on the right, we have the Roborock Q5 Max plus robot vacuum, or simply the Roborock Q5 Max. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a juicy showdown. Let's start with the most painful part of any purchase, the price. The Roomba Combo comes in at a cool $549. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max is asking for $599. So if you're looking to save yourself $50, the Roomba Combo is already winning. But hey, you can always skip a few lattes and splurge on the Roborock if you want to feel fancy. Next up, let's talk about suction power. The Roomba Combo is like that reliable friend who's always there for you, pulling in everyday dirt and debris with its 4-stage cleaning system. Reviewers have noted that it's particularly good at cleaning up pet messes and maintaining a tidy home. But the Roborock Q5 Max is like the Hulk of robot vacuums, with a jaw-dropping 5,500 PA of hyperforce suction power. Reviewers say it excels at picking up pet hair and dander, making it ideal for pet owners. I mean, it could probably suck up your regrets and bad decisions along with the dust. Both of these bad boys are self-emptying, which means less work for us lazy folks. The Roomba Combo can hold up to 60 days of debris, 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuuming. The Roborock Q5 Max, on the other hand, boasts a 7-week hands-free cleaning experience. So if you're bad at math, let me clear it up for you. 60 days is roughly 8.5 weeks. Roomba Combo wins this round by a whisker. Now, let's see which one of these robots has a better sense of direction. The Roomba Combo learns your home like a nosy neighbor and creates an imprint smart map. It can focus on dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. However, some reviewers mentioned that the mapping feature can be unreliable and time-consuming to set up. The Roborock Q5 Max is like a high-tech spy with its PreciSense LiDAR navigation system, creating detailed 3D maps and adapting to different environments. Reviewers have praised its superior mapping technology and obstacle detection. So, if you want a vacuum that's basically a part-time cartographer, the Roborock Q5 Max has got you covered. Here's where things get wet and wild. The Roomba Combo is a double threat, converting from an all-floor vacuum to a vacuum and mop with the simple switch of a bin. It even has a specialized microfiber pad for tackling footprints, dirt, and dust. Reviewers have found the mopping feature effective for smaller areas. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max is strictly a vacuum. So if you want to mop up those spilled margaritas from last night's party, the Roomba Combo is your go-to. Both of these robots are voice command wizards. The Roomba Combo understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1, pairing with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Reviewers have appreciated its ease of use and minimal effort required. The Roborock Q5 Max isn't far behind, syncing with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. Reviewers noted its user-friendly app features and customization options. So basically, both of these vacuums are more obedient than my dog. Both the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus and the Roborock Q5 Max Plus have received positive reviews from users. The Roomba Combo is praised for its reliable cleaning performance, especially for homes with pets, and its versatility with both vacuuming and mopping. However, some users have faced challenges with its mapping feature. On the other hand, The Roborock Q5 Max Plus is lauded for its powerful suction, superior navigation, and user-friendly app features, making it a strong contender for those who prioritize high-tech functionality. Well, there you have it, folks. The Roomba Combo and the Roborock Q5 Max are both fantastic in their own way. If you're looking for a vacuum mop combo that'll save you a few bucks, go with the Roomba Combo. But if you're all about that powerful suction and high-tech navigation, the Roborock Q5 Max is your new best friend. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart buying tip. Drop a comment below to let us know which robotic cleaner you're rooting for. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.